Hello, welcome to Cat with No Teeth TV episode 1. This is the 2021 Christmas Cat Top 3 Mixes by voter popularity. So we're going to take this from the bottom to the top. Right, in terms of the most views, coming in third, the dark mix itself, Ham Trance 4.1, Beware Those Who Enter. Coming in at number 2 is Ham Trance 2.2 Part 2, who many swear by instead of number 3. But coming in the most views by far of any mix, the Kitty Tray of Modern Music, the Fresh Bag of Litter Mix. Thank you very much for being cat viewers for another year, and I hope you like your stocking filler. It's the cat, but not as we know it. Thank you very much. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and think about vaping,